Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas to Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a hiragana character. Campanas to Japanese. Have you watched my quick overview video? If you haven't yet, I recommend watching it first. The link's in the description. So, this character consists of 3 strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this horizontal line, slightly tilting. Remember, in hiragana, there are 3 ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. The first stroke ends with a stop, like this. The second stroke is this top to bottom stroke. Don't draw a straight line. A little curved line like this, with a stop at the end. The third stroke starts around here. Draw a diagonal line to the bottom left, and then it curves upwards. And finally, this long curved line with a sweep at the end. Make sure this curved line in the middle of the third stroke crosses the beginning of the third stroke. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, and 3. To practice writing hiragana character, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Visit my Patreon page. The link's in the description. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。